I think I messed up. But here's why high earners can still struggle financially, from lifestyle inflation to poor investment choices. Many high earners secretly battle financial woes. Stay tuned for the surprising reasons. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth building tools and income opportunities. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 10 habits of people who will never be rich, even if they earn a high income. You know, I've seen it time and time again. People making great money, living in fancy places, driving expensive cars, but they're living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt. They look rich, but in reality, they're one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. The thing is, building wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about the financial habits you cultivate. And unfortunately, many high earners fall into traps that sabotage their financial well-being. Over the next few minutes, we're going to expose these wealth-repelling habits, and more importantly, discuss how to break free from them and start building a solid financial future. Let's get started. First up, living beyond their means. No matter how much you earn, if you spend more than you make, you'll never build wealth. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. You might have a powerful faucet, but the water's just going down the drain. Look, I get it. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as your income grows. You want the nicer car, the bigger house, the designer clothes. But remember, every dollar you spend on those things is a dollar you're not investing, saving, or using to build a secure future. The truth is, most people determine their spending based on their income. The more they make, the more they spend. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, flip the script. Decide how much you need to spend to live comfortably and then aggressively save and invest the rest. Remember, true wealth isn't about appearances, it's about financial security and freedom. Don't let lifestyle inflation keep you trapped in the rat race, even if you're earning a high income. Next, not investing. Keeping all your money in a savings account won't help it grow. In fact, with inflation, it's actually losing value over time. Investing is key to building wealth. Imagine this, you have $10,000 sitting in a savings account earning a measly 0.05% interest. At that rate, it would take over 139 years for your money to double. That's right, 139 years. Now imagine investing that same $10,000 in a low-cost index fund, averaging a 7% return. Your money would double in just over 10 years. The power of compounding earning interest on your interest is like magic. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small amounts invested consistently can make a huge difference over time. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. There are countless resources available to help you get started, from robo-advisors to educational websites to financial advisors. The important thing is to take action and start putting your money to work for you. Third, lack of financial planning. Without a plan, it's easy to lose track of your financial goals. It's like setting out on a road trip with no destination in mind. You might enjoy the ride, but you'll never actually get anywhere. A financial plan acts as your roadmap to financial success. It helps you define your goals, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or leaving a legacy for your children, and outlines the steps you need to take to achieve them. Start by setting clear, specific, and measurable financial goals. Then create a budget that tracks your income and expenses, allowing you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can save. Consider factors like retirement contributions, debt repayment, and emergency savings. Don't just wing it when it comes to your finances. Take the time to create a solid plan and review it regularly. Adjust it as needed based on your changing circumstances and goals. A well-defined plan will keep you focused and motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Fourth, impulse buying. Those small, unplanned purchases can add up and derail your financial progress. Think about it. That daily latte, those online shopping sprees, those too-good-to-pass-up deals, they might seem insignificant individually, but over time, they can drain your bank account. The problem with impulse buying is that it's often driven by emotion rather than logic. We get caught up in the moment, enticed by marketing tactics or influenced by social media, and we end up making purchases we later regret. Combat impulse buying by implementing simple strategies. First, unsubscribe from tempting email lists and unfollow social media accounts that fuel your desire to spend. Delay gratification by waiting 24 hours before making a purchase. If you still want it after a day, then consider if it truly aligns with your budget and goals. Remember, building wealth requires discipline and mindful spending. Don't let those seemingly harmless impulse purchases sabotage your financial progress. Fifth, not having an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can set you back if you're not prepared. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events, a medical emergency, car trouble, job loss, can throw a wrench in even the most carefully crafted financial plans. Without an emergency fund, these unexpected events can lead to debt, which can quickly snowball and derail your financial progress. It's like driving without a spare tire. You might be fine for a while, but eventually, you're going to hit a pothole. Aim to build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This may seem like a daunting task, but start small and contribute consistently. Consider automating your savings so that a portion of each paycheck goes directly into your emergency fund. Having this financial safety net will provide peace of mind and protect you from financial setbacks when life throws you a curveball. Sixth, relying on one income source. In today's uncertain economy, relying solely on your job for income can be risky. What happens if you lose your job or your industry takes a downturn? Diversifying your income streams can provide financial stability and peace of mind. It's like having multiple pillars supporting a roof. If one pillar weakens, the others can still hold it up. Explore different avenues for generating income, such as starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or creating and selling digital products. Even a small side income can make a big difference in your overall financial security. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. By diversifying your income streams, you create a more resilient financial foundation that can withstand unexpected challenges. Seventh, avoiding financial education. In a world saturated with information, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the complexities of personal finance. But the truth is, understanding how money works is crucial to managing it effectively. Think about it. You wouldn't attempt to fix a car engine without any knowledge of mechanics, would you? Yet, many people approach their finances with the same level of naivety. Investing in your financial education doesn't require a degree in finance. There are countless resources available: books, podcasts, websites, online courses that can teach you the fundamentals of budgeting, investing, debt management, and more. Make it a priority to continuously learn and expand your financial knowledge. The more you understand about money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Eighth, keeping up with the Joneses. In today's social media-driven world, it's easy to get caught up in comparing ourselves to others. We see our friends and neighbors taking lavish vacations, driving luxury cars, and living seemingly perfect lives, and we feel pressured to keep up. But the truth is, trying to match others' lifestyles can lead to unnecessary debt and financial stress. Remember, what you see on social media is often a carefully curated highlight reel. It doesn't show the full picture, including the debt and sacrifices that may be behind those glamorous facades. Focus on your own financial goals and values, and don't let the pressure to keep up with others dictate your spending habits. Remember, true wealth isn't about material possessions. It's about financial freedom and living a life aligned with your values. Ninth, neglecting health. You might not think of your health as a financial priority, but the truth is, medical expenses can be a significant financial burden if you don't take care of yourself. Think about it. A major illness or injury can lead to lost income, high medical bills, and even long-term disability. These financial setbacks can quickly derail your financial plans and even lead to debt. Investing in your health is one of the best financial decisions you can make. Prioritize healthy habits like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. Get regular checkups and screenings to catch potential health issues early. Remember, preventing health problems is always more cost-effective, both financially and emotionally, than treating them after they arise. Finally, procrastinating on financial decisions. We all do it. We put off tasks that seem overwhelming or unpleasant, such as creating a budget, reviewing our insurance policies, or investing for retirement. But the truth is, delaying important financial actions can cost you in the long run. Think about it. The longer you wait to start investing, the less time your money has to grow. The longer you put off creating a will, the greater the risk of leaving your loved ones in a difficult situation. Break the procrastination cycle by breaking down large financial tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Set deadlines for yourself and hold yourself accountable. Consider seeking professional help from a financial advisor if you need guidance or support. Remember, taking action, even small steps, is always better than doing nothing. Don't let procrastination rob you of the opportunity to build a secure and prosperous financial future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Remember, building wealth isn't just about earning a high income, it's about cultivating smart financial habits. Break free from these 10 wealth-repelling habits and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. See you next time. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. What I wish I knew about money when I was younger: lifestyle inflation, poor money habits, and not investing wisely are the top reasons we're broke. Want to do better? Create a budget and stick to it. Stay tuned for more tips. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.